Good morning and welcome back to the Experts.com files. I'm Nick Rishwain. Today, based on your votes, we are talking about the horse auto collision case. Let's get into it. This was a defense matter. Defense counsel reached out to Experts.com looking for an equestrian expert who could opine on boarding horses, maintaining equine or equestrian facilities, premises safety, animal safety, those types of items. The defendant that he was representing, or defendants, were the equestrian facility and the owners of that facility. What happened is that one of their horses ran for freedom, essentially, jumped to the fence of the stable, ran to a nearby highway, and collided with a series of vehicles. That's how it's described to me, a series of vehicles. It was like a one-horse pileup of sorts. You have seen the news stories of this or the YouTube videos where there's fugitive livestock running down the highway. It happens. But the lawyer believed that the equestrian facility was well maintained or properly maintained. And even though it only had one fence, he didn't believe that an outer fence was necessary. And that's what he needed an expert to opine about, the standards and the safety and how many fences are necessary. That is equestrian standard of care. That's it. That's the case.